How should New Year's Eve outfits be? One of the most important preparations for New Year's Eve is undoubtedly choosing the right outfit. For this special night, outfits featuring sparkly and elegant details often stand out. While black and gold are traditionally favored, vibrant colors and pastel tones have also become increasingly popular in recent years. The dresses, jewelry, and accessories you choose for New Year's Eve should reflect your style and personality. New Year's Eve outfits that reflect the spirit of the season. The arrival of the new year symbolizes a fresh start, renewal, and hope. The outfit you choose for New Year's Eve should also reflect this positive vibe. Generally, bright, sparkly, and vibrant colors dominate New Year's Eve outfit ideas. Traditional holiday colors like red and green continue to be popular year after year. However, in recent times, a wider range of colors, from deep tones to pastels, has also been embraced. If you prefer a more classic style, a red or green dress can be an excellent choice. For those with a more modern approach, metallic colors or sequined and sparkly outfits might be more suitable. Accessorizing appropriately is also essential when putting together your New Year's Eve look. For example, statement earrings, metallic shoes, or clutch bags can perfectly complement your dress and overall style. Alternatively, you can opt for a festive holiday sweater that not only captures the energy of the season, but also ensures you feel cozy and stylish throughout the evening. Colors to consider for New Year's Eve outfits. Color selection is critical when choosing your New Year's Eve ensemble. Commonly favored hues include red, green, gold, silver, and black. Recently, unconventional colors like purple, pink, and blue have also started to make their way into New Year's Eve outfits. Red remains one of the most popular choices for the occasion, as it is a warm, vibrant, and energetic color that perfectly matches the holiday spirit. Green, representing the iconic Christmas tree, is another frequently chosen color for New Year's celebrations. Gold and silver tones are also go-to choices for New Year's Eve. These colors can serve as the primary tones of your outfit or be incorporated through accessories. For example, you can pair a red dress with gold or silver shoes and a matching bag. Alternatively, you can style a black outfit with red shoes and accessories adorned with red gemstones for a striking finish. Things to consider when choosing your perfect New Year's Eve look. When selecting an outfit for New Year's Eve, it's essential to prioritize both comfort and elegance. You can opt for long, strapless, short, or jumpsuit-style designs. Apart from the cut and colors, the fabric quality of your outfit is also crucial. Accessories like shoes, bags, jewelry, and hairpieces are equally important in completing your look. When choosing jewelry, it's wise to avoid over-the-top options and adopt a minimalist approach. Finding the right outfit for New Year's Eve can sometimes feel overwhelming, particularly when deciding on colors or accessories. In such cases, creating an ensemble that feels authentic and makes you feel comfortable and confident is always the best choice.